Okay, now that we've got all that cleared up, I've got another spinny thing. Made another thing that spins. There goes my ice machine. Anyways, this is, like I said, something that spins. I guess this could be counted as a hovercraft. Idea being that, well, I mean, initially I was kind of looking at it as like a ground effect vehicle that rotates instead of just going forward. And it kind of works. It's a real pain to wind up and to get running for you. So when I'm filming this, I'll probably just cut the clip of me winding it up. Either way, you'll be able to notice here in the upcoming clips that it kind of works. Like just about everything I make just kind of works, if at all. And yeah, decided to make a video on it. Took about hour 30 minutes to print. 20% infill, double thickness walls, really thin base. I mean, it's one layer thick at its thinnest where it's hinged, and then I believe there's 2 more layers on top of that. Especially around the ring or on the outside, I made it 1.5 millimeter thick. That way, can hold on to some of that rotational energy that I put into it. Either way, we try to get some runs in for you, put you on the ground, and hopefully we can get something. Are you kidding me? I might not be able to get a run in for y'all. It's only ran a couple times good for me, so yeah, do I recommend you building something like this? No. Could I come up with something a little bit better? Perhaps. But I'll get a run in for you. Give me a second. Yeah, a little bit. A little bit, ran a little bit, alright? That's all you're gonna get. So, sorry for sucking so bad, but also at the same time, thanks for checking out my video. And yeah, it's been a slow week for me on the 3D printer. Anyways, should I keep on messing around with this concept? This isn't the first one I tried to make, but it's the first one to actually somewhat work. And I guess I'm not really pleased with that, but it does somewhat work, as you've seen on that last clip. Anyways, hope you all have a great day, YouTube. Thanks once again for tuning in. Adios.